everybody, welcome back to my channel, Christy's Point of View. Today we are going to discuss how to turn around a bad day into a good one. So first things first, I'll give examples of certain things that we call a bad day, which is not really a bad day, right? Let's say your car hasn't started, or you didn't have breakfast, or someone parked in your parking spot, or someone pressed all the numbers in the elevator and you're annoyed about that. Sometimes we haven't got our coffee, we didn't get to have our favorite coffee. We call all of those things a bad day, right? Well, in fact, that is not a bad day. I'll say it's probably a challenging day. You know, things like your skirt just ripped and on your way to work, or rain soaked you down on the way to work. I'll say that's a very challenging day, and I'll just like to give you a few tips that will be able to help you in these challenging times, because not every day is the perfect day. Not every day people have good days. We can agree, right? We can agree? Yes, we can agree. So these are just some tips for you to move over and try and make good of the day that you think you are having a bad day. So first things first is, this is the day that God has made. You are above ground. You are not 6 feet under. You should be happy that you are alive. So tip number 1, try to write down things that you are grateful for. Anytime you think that you are having a horrible day, write down things that you are grateful for on a piece of paper, and then you will weigh the pros and cons, and you will see that you are actually having a good day. Being grateful, having gratitude, thankful for the things that you have will show you that your day is just challenging, not a bad day. For those who are working in an office and not working from home, take a step away from your desk, go in the bathroom and sit down. Even if you have to sit down in the toilet, and sit down in that quiet time and try and meditate. Try and use that quietness to meditate on nice things and good things, to put yourself in a better mood. Because if it is you don't put yourself in a better mood, this bad day, so-called bad day, can end up rolling into the next day, and we don't want that. You don't want to go to sleep, right, with a bad mood. So you try and fix this mood as fast as possible by meditating. And there is a meditation at the bottom, a free gift of a meditation at the bottom of my video. So you can click the link below, and it will show you a little bit about how you should go about meditating. It's not long at all. Tip number 3, I would have said have some ice cream, but I don't want to encourage you all in putting on any extra weight unnecessarily. Because every day you come home, you will say that you had a bad day and you'll eat ice cream and you'll get fat. And then say, I gave you that advice. So I will tell you, don't do that. What you can do is having a hot shower and sitting down and reading a book in your quiet time helps distress you of all the challenges you had during the day. Okay? This tip number 4 is kind of PG-13, but PG-13 or PG-16, but for all the married folks. And tip number 4 is, you can have sexual intercourse with your partner, right? This helps releases stress hormones and so forth, helps you feel much better so that you don't have to roll over into the next day feeling burdened of the day's events, right? So tip number 4, a lot of people I know will go for, it tends to help a lot. It is also said that chocolate releases this particular hormone in women if you eat dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a help. So dark chocolate is actually tip number 5. You can have dark chocolate. It helps release a stress hormone. I can't remember the name of the hormone right now, but it helps release that hormone and makes you feel better, right? Tip number 5, final tip. Exercise. Exercise tends to, that is the best tip ever. Exercise tends to just, you run out whatever stress, you run out any frustrations of the day, you jog out, or you go on the bike and you ride out all, you go and swim, you swim out all. And swimming exercises every part of your body. So that's my most favorite tip. Swimming, exercising, that kind of thing. So if I have given you value, don't forget to click that like, leave a comment if you have any tips that you would like to add, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time on Chrissy's Point of View.